this. I can't wait for when that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, today you guys, I'm working with an XR. As y'all know, I'm stocking up. Hills and hustle. You know that's what we gotta do as women. We gotta hustle in our heels. Whatever we got, we just gotta hustle. You know, get to that dollar. Let me stop, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was just so corny. But anywho, yeah, you guys, so today, as y'all can see, the theme that I'm going for is a boss theme, and the colors I'm working with is red, hot pink, and gold. I think that's it. I got some yellow up in here too, you guys. Yeah, and y'all already know I got my picking tool, and I got my clear grip Gorilla Glue and my face mask, so we know. And I know my video's been real short, you guys. I think it's because I use the time lapse, so like it speeds it up like really fast. I didn't think it would be that fast, but I don't want no long videos anyway. I want y'all to enjoy my content. But if y'all do want longer videos, if y'all do want me to slow them down, feel free to let me know. Before you continue to watch this video, let me get a thumbs up, you guys, because I'm telling you, like, I need every like, every comment I can get. But I just really want to know if y'all like my content, and leave a comment below if you want to see any other design or any color theme that you have in mind. Feel free to drop it down below. But let's just jump into this video. Let's get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so as y'all can see, I am finished with this beauty. If y'all hear noise in the background, that's the fan. So yeah, you guys, y'all know what it's time for. Let's tear back this paper and this plastic. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I was about to do this off of camera. I be forgetting. This is the best part. Oh, ain't that just beautiful? You guys, now that I look at this phone case, I forgot an area. But I'm gonna go back in off camera and I'm gonna finish that. And then once I complete that, oh my gosh, I just broke my nail, Lord. Let's see. This is why it's very important to take your vitamins. And also clip your nails, because oh, that came off perfectly. tell you guys. So I'm gonna go off camera. I forgot to do this side right here, so I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna finish that. But look, it's finished. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, make sure y'all turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I upload a banger, because y'all don't want to miss these. Y'all really don't. Like I said in previous videos, I'm going to try to do different things, you guys, because I do. Oh, let me show y'all real quick. So y'all like, ooh. Okay, that's it. That's it. But like oh, hold on. Let me show you this too. Ooh. Yeah, but like I said, I'm going to try to do different bling sessions with you guys. So be on the look for those. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.